How to play Sonic Rumble for beginners. First of all, open the game on your device. Once it loads, you will be taken to the main screen where you can see your character, available events and different menu options. Tap on the play button to start your first match. Before jumping into the race, you will be matched with other players online. Each round includes fun and fast-paced minigames where your goal is to reach the finish line, survive obstacles, and outlast your opponents. Move your character using the on-screen controls, one side for moving and the other for jumping. Time your jumps carefully to avoid falling or hitting traps. As you progress, you will earn rings, rewards, and experience points that help you unlock new characters, outfits, and customization options. You can also level up your character to improve your overall performance. Don't forget to check the character section to personalize your Sonic character with different skins and accessories. This makes your character unique and gives your gameplay a fresh look. If you lose a round, don't worry, you will still earn some rewards and can use them to improve your next run. Keep practicing, learn the map patterns, and react quickly to obstacles to increase your chances of winning. You can also tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the game menu and select how to play for in-game instructions. Likewise, check out the recommended videos section to watch helpful gameplay tutorials and tips. Now you know how to play Sonic Rumble for beginners. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.